How to put 3 hairs on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Roblox application. Now tap on Avatar. Now scroll to the right and tap on Hairs. Now tap on Hair. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on Black Ponytail and tap on Free. Now click on Get. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about the suggested topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.